Welcome to Priory Cottage in Tram Road, Rye Harbour. You might be able to hear a few seagulls in the background. We're so close to the harbour, which is a free nature reserve and attracts visitors from all over the UK. It's a really amazing place and accessible to wheelchairs and prams. So Priory Cottage is really well placed for everyone that loves to be outside. There's a traditional pub not very far along the road, as well as Rye Harbour and the town of Rye, which is about 5 minutes in the car. But this is a super family home with a good sized garden. But let's have a look inside. So in from the back door from the lovely garden, we come into a bit of a countrified kitchen. It's really light, it's spacious, plenty of room for a table to enjoy your morning coffee and your breakfast. So leading on from the kitchen, there's this lovely dining room. It's really well proportioned, very high ceilings, lovely wide wooden boards on the wooden floor, and plenty of room to entertain. Plus, I love the doors going onto the back garden, and I can imagine enjoying the summer with the doors open and having dinner or lunch. So leading out from the lovely cosy living room with its log burner, we're into this lovely sunroom. Now it's quite cloudy today, but even now it's quite lovely and warm with the sun coming in. But there's lots of places to relax and enjoy in this harbour side home. So here we are in the master bedroom with a very, very generous ensuite through there. But it's full of light, and most of all, it has wonderful views of the harbour over there. If you'd like to come and see this house for yourselves, contact WarnerGray in Rye and we'd love to show you around.